Hey there, gamers. Are you ready for a gaming rig that'll make all your friends green with envy? I'm here to tell you about the Skytech Gaming O11 Vision, the ultimate gaming beast that's about to take your gaming experience to the next level. First off, let's talk about the brainpower behind this machine. We've got an AMD Ryzen 9850X3D CPU processor, which means it's got a whopping 8 cores and 16 threads. That might sound like tech jargon, but trust me, it just means it can handle more tasks at once, making it perfect for gaming, video editing, or anything else that requires some serious processing power. Now, you're probably wondering what kind of memory we're talking about here. The Skytech O11 Vision comes with a whopping 2TB Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. And let me break that down for you in plain English. Think super fast storage that's up to 30 times faster than a regular hard drive. That means loading games, programs, or files is a breeze, and you won't have to wait around like you would with slower storage. Next up, we've got some serious graphics power. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 16GB GDDR7 graphics card is a beast of its own. Think top-of-the-line gaming performance with the latest NVIDIA architecture. And with 16GB of dedicated memory, you won't have to worry about running out of space for those high-resolution textures and detailed graphics. But wait, there's more. This rig comes with an impressive 32GB DDR5 RAM memory, which means it can handle multiple tasks at once without getting overwhelmed. It also features a heat spreader that helps keep everything cool under pressure. No overheating here. Now, I know you're itching to get your hands on this beast, but let's not forget about the cooling system. We've got 360mm AIO liquid CPU coolers with ARGB fans that say goodbye to outdated and inefficient air coolers. These bad boys are designed to keep your processor running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions or long work hours. But what really sets this rig apart is its case, the Lian Li PC-O11 Vision to be exact. This stunning white case is not only beautiful but also well designed for maximum airflow and cable management. It's like a piece of art on your desk. So, what can you expect from this powerful gaming PC? For starters, it can handle some of the toughest games out there at ultra settings with 1440p Quad HD resolution. I'm talking smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. That means you'll be able to play games without any frame drops or stuttering. But don't just take my word for it. The Skytech O11 Vision has been tested and proven to run some of the most demanding games in ultra settings, detailed 1440p Quad HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. And with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, you can have peace of mind knowing that your rig is protected. So, how much would I pay for this gaming rig? Honestly, it's an absolute steal at the price. The Skytech O11 Vision has earned a solid 4.6 out of 5 rating from reviewers who've tested it in real-world scenarios, and trust me, you'll be blown away by its performance. If you're ready to take your gaming experience to new heights, check out the link below for the best price on the Skytech Gaming O11 Vision. Trust me, you won't regret it.